what's up? Welcome to day lucky 13. It's my lucky number. It might not be yours, but I like the number 13. I like the number 13. Guys, 12 more days of the 25 days of Christmas, 25 more giveaways this year. We're gonna really blow this out of the water with these 25 giveaways. Today, we're gonna do another slate coaster. This one is going to be Christmas holiday related. Very cool little piece here that we're going to do. Sure, I can pull it up. Here we go. Here it is. As you can see, there's no place like home for the holidays. Isn't that just beautiful? It's going to go in a 4x4 slate coaster. And yeah, let's get this baby framed. Make sure it's going to go right. This is one of our irregular coasters. As you can see here, it's not perfect. And I just moved it. Let's try that again. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I screwed it up bad. Let's try that again. All right. I move stuff sometimes. And really screws up. So I still don't think it's gonna be where it's supposed to be. Still needs a little bit of adjustments. Sometimes it's just easier to move the piece than the laser. That looks good right there. This is gonna take approximately 12 minutes to cut. We'll try to speed it up for you guys a little bit. So guys, without further ado, let's get this baby started. see it is done, but you can't really read it. So what we like to do is we take a little acetone on a rag and just kind of clean it up. It's not going to hurt the slate. It's not going to hurt the engrave. It's just going to make it pop a little bit. And then that's another reason that we put the clear coat on there as well. So that's how much better it just pops out. There's no place like home for the holidays. That's day 13. This thing took a lot longer than I said it was. 12 minutes, and it went for almost 18 minutes. So we will for sure speed that up for you. You don't want to watch that for 18 minutes because I didn't want to. So guys, if you're enjoying this segment, this series, go down there and hit that like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Comment down below on all the videos for your chance to win whatever we make in that video. And we'll see you in day 14. Bye.